Some damage reports from out here in Rondo. My neighbor back here, his roof is completely peeled back on his lean-to. Fence laid over right there. It looks like minor damage. No real roof damage, probably just big limbs laid down out here at the Church of Rondo. Lightfoot, my other neighbor over here, seemed like we got the worst of it. And it kind of looked like it might have disappeared back out in the woods. It happened about 12:08-ish, maybe a little bit before that. As you can see, tops of trees knocked down. Bunch of sticks, twigs laid down out in the yard, knocked out of trees. It's worse back there. Yeah.
It's hitting Urbana right now.
It's hitting Urbana?
Yeah, it's full-fledged tornado.
It ripped the roof off of his lean-to. See, right here's his tree. Yeah. Knocked the top right off of it. The winds were definitely swirling. They weren't straight line. We've had plenty of straight line.
God, this is all holy shit.
But what I could tell out here, everybody's all right. It's just minor tree damages, roof damages.
Just had a funnel, and when it came down right over us, and it just kept on going. Now it's going into Urbana.
Poor Urbana.
It's a full-fledged tornado now.
They always get the worst. They really do. I'm happy it didn't knock down